The trend, I believe, is definitely to a more professional approach to open source with respect to the acquisition community. There's been a bit of a difficulty among many of our contracting officers over the last few years in getting their hands around the multiplicity of open source licensing models. And when they go, especially to look at a open source software that has been patched together from various projects with various licensing models, it becomes a bit of a challenge for them. That being said, the adoption and the acceptance and the senior leadership with respect to open source has been really fantastic, and the acquisition community has caught on to that. Vivek Kundra and our current federal CIO have both promoted open source. And the White House, for example, is using Drupal and giving back to the Drupal community. So the government is into big open source in a big way. Now, what's coming in the future, I think, will just be an expansion of that activity, particularly with respect to healthcare software, also with respect to the different agencies adopting open source for their own use. The other thing is, I believe that the open source community, and if you want to call them that, commercial open source providers, companies that offer supported software, have been encouraged to the point where they're beginning to come out with more than just operating systems and databases. They've got virtualization stacks, storage software, and very strong big data offerings that are becoming very important in the analytics of, for example, immigration control, the fraud and abuse detection within different areas of government that hand out funds to a large number of receivers where there's potential for fraud.